Hello children, this is your Shaktivel Max teacher. Welcome to Vidyalakshmi YouTube channel. Today we are going to see cylinder and cone. Okay, from this curved surface area, total surface area and volume. All these three things we will see with the proper steps. Understand? Right. First we are going cylinder. Already in the previous video we saw cube and cuboid. Okay, if you not see that, kindly you go and see. I will give in the link in the description. If you want, kindly you see, then you come to cylinder. Okay, right. First we are going cylinder now today. Right, cylinder. Okay, cylinder in the sense this we are getting from the rectangular shape. Rectangular shape sheet. It's like a two-dimensional. Rectangle in the sense generally that is a two-dimensional. And the rectangular sheet only we are converting into cylinder. How we are doing, sir? Now see this edge. We are taking this edge. We are taking the both edge of the rectangle, this edge and this one we are joining. Like that in here also the starting, the bottom two edges when we join, see like this when we fold. Okay, when we have to fold and we need to join. When we fold, it's forming like a one circular shape in the top and the bottom. That circular shape only we are calling as a, what is that, a circumference, because this length, this is called length and this we know breadth. This length only it's changed into what actually? Circumference. Circumference formula we know very well, that is 2 times of pi r. 2 times of pi r. This is actually circumference, length of the circle or perimeter of the circle. That is only we are calling as circumference. Understand? So this is I have given here. Now this b only here as a h. B only we have as a h. Height and breadth as same, because this we are not doing anything. Length only when we fold it's formed as a circumference. So this 2 pi r equal to L. 2 pi r equal to L. So that I am writing here 2 times of pi r which is equal to L. And here children b is equal to h, because the breadth we are not changing anything here. B is equal to h, that will come same. I am not doing anything. Okay. Next. See children, let's take okay, now the area of, what is that, area of a rectangle, which is equal to, we know, length into breadth. Area of rectangle equal to, we know what, my dear, length into breadth. But the area of a rectangle which is equal to area of cylinder, because from the rectangle only we got a cylinder. So definitely both area will be equal. Idinoda shape lenda namakku indha idu kadichadhu illaya, so it never change. That is both are same. So area of rectangle equal to, I am writing area of a cylinder. Generally area of cylinder na we are using that only for CSA, curved surface area. If you are telling area, that is curved surface area only. Total surface area na, already I told you in my previous video what I said. What I said na, we have to add top area and bottom area with CSA. That is only we are calling as a total surface area. Understand children? That is very important. In general area nambodu we are using only curved surface area. So length I said L is equal to 2 pi r. I told you na, because this L only changed into circular formation. So L value what actually 2 pi r into B, what I said, B is equal to h. B is equal to h. So instead of B I am writing h. See this L I am writing as a 2 pi r. B I am writing as a h. So what I am getting? 2 pi r into h. This is the what is that? CSA of a cylinder. Suppose if you want like what is that, total surface area in the sense, what I said, total surface area in the sense, generally sum of the top and bottom with CSA. So total surface area which is equal to CSA plus top and bottom. Top area is what? Generally top area is a pi r square. I mean when we go with the area in the sense, and this will be pi r square. This will be pi r square. Top or bottom. Even here also we have a bottom area. One circular formation is there. So this will be pi r square. So here, sir, inga vandu neenga 2 pi r soningla, adu vandu perimeter, that is circumference, how much length it is around அப்படினு பார்க்கறீங்களா, that is the circumference, that is 2 pi r. When we go with the area in the circle பாத்தீங்கன்னா pi r square, Okay, Raja? So that is I am going to use. Okay. Now CSA, CSA, along with the CSA, what I am adding? 2 times of a base area. 2 times of a base area. So base area in the sense pi r square. Okay, either top base area or bottom base area. Don't think base area na keela irudhu appdi nenichikadinga. Generally the circle name is base area na pi r square. When we use the word, I mean top and bottom, we have to use that melana top and kilo on the bottom, like that only we have to use. But base area in the sense, that is common thing, area of a circle. Okay, it's not a change anything. So CSA formula we have, what is that? 2 times of a pi r h. Okay, now 2 times of a base area formula, I told you pi r square. Here base area equal to pi r square I mentioned in the diagram. Now you see children, what is the common value here we have? The common value you take from that 2 is there and pi is there and r. Remaining things here only h and this side just r. So 2 pi r into h plus r square units. This is the required what is the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, now we got CSA of the cylinder and total surface area of the cylinder, both we got it. So what about volume, sir? What about volume? How we will find the volume? Let's see one by one. Okay, the volume also I am giving. Now here we will go. Okay, so volume equal to sir, how to find volume? Volume in the sense the capacity of the cylinder. What my dear? Capacity of the cylinder, right? Now let's take with some different thing. Yeah, suppose, see children, here height into base area. That's it. Volume of the cylinder equal to what actually? Base area multiply height. Multiply what my dear? Height. Okay, this is the thing we have to use. So base area in the sense that is pi r square into height h. So what I am using? Pi r square h cubic units. This will be cubic units. That's it. This is the required formula for a cylinder. Base area into height. That is the volume of the cylinder. Okay, very important thing. Again, let's go with a small recall. CSA in the sense, listen carefully, length into breadth of the rectangle. So 2 pi r into h. Why, sir, we are using L into B for CSA of cylinder? Now, I told you from this figure, when you join the rectangle, I mean starting and ending edge, when you join, we are getting one circular form here. We are getting one circular form, that will be 2 pi r, I told you. Okay, because the length da vandu namakku 2 pi r maarudhu. L is equal to 2 pi r. I have mentioned here. L is equal to 2 pi r, I said. And breadth is equal to h. So that is I am using here. Instead of L, I am substituting 2 pi r, B equal to h is. Okay. Total surface area, I told you already. Total surface area equal to CSA plus top area and bottom area. We saw already in the previous video. Already I mean, இதுக்கு முன்னாடி போட்ட வீடியோல சொல்லியிருக்கேன். அந்த கியூப் and கியூபாய்ட பார்த்திருக்கோம். அதை பார்க்காதவங்க போய்ட்டு பாருங்க. அதை நான் ஆல்ரெடி இதை பற்றி ஆல்ரெடி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். TSA என்ன அப்படின்னு தெளிவாக சொல்லியிருக்கேன். ஸோ அந்த வீடியோ கண்டிப்பாக அந்த டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் வந்து லிங்க் கொடுப்பாங்க, போய்ட்டு அதை பாருங்கள். சரிங்களா? ரைட், ஃபைன். ஸோ CSA ஹியர் வி ஹாவ் 2 pi r h plus 2 times of base area. That's it. Common எடுக்கிறச்ச we are getting this formula. And volume I told you already, base area into height. That's it, children. So cylinder is over. CSA, TSA, volume. Now we will go to next shape. Next shape we are going. Okay. Next shape is what? Cone. Okay. Cone, lights. Let's see about a cone. Cone also we are going to see what? CSA, TSA and volume. All the things we will see one by one. Right. First, what is that? CSA, curved surface area of the cone. Right. Sir, cone from where I am getting, sir? Cone from where I am getting? What is it? I have mentioned here. I am taking one sector. I am taking one sector. The sector in the sense like it is from circle we got it. It is from circle. From the circle one of the part. ஒரு பெரிய சர்க்கிளில் ஒரு குட்டி பார்ட் எடுக்கிறீங்கன்னா அதுக்கு பேர் தான் செக்டார். அப்போது இதுதான் நமக்கு வந்து சர்க்கிள்னு வச்சிங்களேன். சென்டர் பாயிண்ட்டு O. அதுலேருந்து ஒரு குட்டி பார்ட் இப்படி கட் பண்ணி எடுக்கிறீங்கன்னா, பட் திஸ் இஸ் ரேடியஸ். Am I right? This is what? Radius. இந்த குட்டி பார்ட் தான். இந்த குட்டி பார்ட் கிட்ட ராஜா. So this small part only I have given here. So this will be radius. This will be radius. Okay, are you understand? And next this is center point O. This is center point O. Just for difference, we'll take this will be capital radius. Just for difference, we'll take this as a capital radius. Now I am taking capital R. This will be radius. Okay. Now what you will call this? This is called the what? Circumference. Circumference of the circle. But full circle na circumference. When we go with a small part from the circle na, that is called length of arc. That is called length of arc. This is actually length of arc. So I am writing here itself I will write this is length of arc. Length of arc. Length of arc formula we know very well. That is what na? Theta divided 360 into 2 pi r. R value here it's there, capital radius. Okay, this is theta by 360 2 pi r, length of arc formula. Okay, now this is we know. Right, in the cylinder what I said, in the rendu edge pudichi join panningina it will form a cone அப்படினு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா. Same manner when you join the starting and ending edge like this, when you fold, when அப்படியே எடுத்து இப்படி fold பண்ணீங்கன்னா it will form one circular formation here. அப்ப this length of arc equal to this circumference. The length of arc equal to what I am getting? Circumference. But in the cone radius I am taking small r. Cone radius. I mean here what is that I am writing? Cone radius I am taking small r. Radius small r I am taking. Because for difference I am using here capital na. Inge small chinna radius போட்டுக்கலாம். சரிங்களா? Right. And what about next? So what is the length of arc? Length அப்ப இங்க full circle இருக்கு. இங்க ஒரு குட்டி part. Full circle நம்போது 2 pi r. When we go with the small part of the circle na, that is theta by 360 2 pi r. அப்ப இங்க 2 pi r full ஆ கிடைக்கும். அப்ப length of arc which is equal to, here I am writing. Before going the what is that this one CSA will go this one. What is that length of okay, length of arc. Length of arc which is equal to circumference of the cone. Circumference of the cone. Okay, that is very important. Circumference of a cone, because both are equal. Circumference of the cone and these things will be equal. Now we will go with this answer. What is that? If both are equal, let's simplify. When we substitute, you will get the formula, right? So length of arc I have given the what is that values. Now let's see length of arc na theta divided 360. Theta divided 360 into 2 times of pi r, which is equal to, okay. Now base area, I mean sorry, what is that circumference of the cone. I mean in the bottom we have one circulum, right? This length of the arc only formed into the circle. So both are equal. Both are equal. So here we know this will be 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Don't go with the area. We are going only length. Length நம்போது 2 pi r. அப்ப இங்க 2 pi r, small radius, because கோனுக்கு வந்து small letter கொடுத்திருக்கேன் and sector க்கு வந்து bigger one கொடுத்திருக்கேன். Okay, now you see what are the things is cancelled. 2 pi r is cancelled. What about remaining we have here? Theta divided 360, okay, into r. R changed into what? Listen carefully, this is one of the important thing. R changed into, see this R changed into slant height L. See children, when we fold this R here is there, am right? This will be slant height. Slant height only we are using as L. Slant height equal to L, radius small r, height in the sense h. That is I am using. So this will be h. From the center point, if you bring with the 90 degree, this will be h. Slant height L. Okay. Now instead of this, what is that R? I am using what is that L. Slant height L I am using, which is equal to R. Still I have R equal to this. Okay. Now this will take as an answer number 1. From this whatever you need, let's find it. Whatever you need, let's find it. Or else if you want L alone, otherwise theta by 360 better we find. Because when we go with the area, multiple value, what is that when you send opposite L? Now this will be answer number 1. We don't want this. Okay, this we will leave. Right, this is answer number 1 we have in our hand. Right, let's take this is answer number 1. Now next what we have, sir? Okay, this is you got, sir. Next what? Area of sector equal to area of cone. Why, sir, you are telling both are equal? Because sector da cone மாத்திருக்கேன். Sector da fold பண்ணி cone மாத்திருக்கேன். அப்ப sector ஓட area, cone area same. Are you understand? So that is what I am going to use here. That is what I am going to use. அப்ப area of a sector. Area of sector which is equal to area of a cone. Area of cone in the sense what? That is CSA of cone. Okay, CSA of a cone. That's it. Okay, so CSA of cone and area of sector are equal. What is the area of sector formula? Area of sector equal to what is the formula? Area of sector vadina theta divide 360 into pi r square. Pi r square. R don't take small r because sector anambodu I used capital radius. So capital R square. This is equal to what? CSA of cone. This is what? CSA of cone. Okay. Now I know very well theta divided 360 equal to R by L. I am using this instead of R, theta by 360, R divided L multiply. Okay. And pi. R square. R in the sense I said R and L are equal because slant height வந்து capital radius equal ஆயிடுச்சு. அப்போ instead of this L is R square, I am using L square equal to CSA. That's it. Now you see 1L from this 1 will be cancelled. What about we have remaining pi R and L which is equal to CSA of a cone. That's it, children. So we got the required formula for a CSA of a cone. That's it. So CSA of cone equal to pi r L. That's it. It's a simple way. If you forget the formula, by using this we can able to remember all these things. Appo important thing pathina first length of r equal to length of circumference. Adu edukuren. Adu equal pandracha or answer varudhu. Let's I'm taking answer number 1. Idhula pathina next length equal பண்ணிட்டீங்களா இது கடைசி next area I am making equal பண்ணும்போது I am getting CSA of a cone. If you want next what total surface area cone, total surface area of cone which is equal to I told you already CSA plus top area and bottom area. Here area in the top nothing கிடையாது, but in bottom we have one area, then only one base area. So base area, okay, base area of a cone. That's it. Base area of a cone. That's it. Now CSA we have what is that pi r L plus base area of cone. Base area in the sense don't think 2 pi r. 2 pi r na length. Area in the sense pi r square. Pi r square. So pi r square. So what is the common here? Common badina pi r da. Pi r. When I take pi r commonly outside, here L is there in the first case. From here r square nu or r வெளிய எடுத்துட்டேன் அப்படினா another 1 r is there. So this will be square units. Okay, and this is also square units. So total surface area is equal to what is that pi r into L plus r. Pi r into L plus r I got it. So total surface area kadhichu. So I got both CSA and total surface area in this page. Next we are going to look about a volume of a cone. Volume. What is the volume, sir? Volume of a cone. Volume of cone. There is no proper steps. We have with practical way, practical manner la dhaan irukku. Enna sir appadina we have to take one cylinder. With height h, with height r. With the same height, with the same radius. I want to take another cone with the same height and the same radius. I want to take this is what is the length of the what is the radius, same thing here, and height also should be same. Supposing radius 1 cm na ingiyum 1, height 2 na ingiyum 2. appo height radius same ah irukanum. Don't think height equal to h appdi nenikadinga. Height of the cylinder, height of the cone. Height of the radius of the cylinder, radius of the cone should be equal. அப்படி இருந்தால் தான் இது applicable. என்ன சார் applicable? What sir? Actually என்ன applicable? இங்கே h is equal to h, radius equal to radius. Suppose if you are taking h1 na r1 na, you take like this. Both are equal. I'm telling. So volume of cone in the sense. So now you take some liquid or something. Also sand also you can take, not a problem. You can fill it one time. You can fill it fully. Then pour into cylinder one time. Next again you can fill it the same either a liquid or whatever cone வந்து fill பண்ணுங்க. Again you pour into cylinder 2 time IH. Again you fill it. Okay, cone full fill பண்ணிட்டு again you pour it 3 time. When you do the same thing 3 time, the cylinder will be got filled. எப்போ fill ஆகும்? 3 times of cone equal to 1 time of cylinder. அப்ப 3 times of cone equal to one time of cylinder, one time volume of a cylinder. So this is the thing. When this is possible, when we have a radius of the cone and a cylinder equal, like that, height of the cone, height of the cylinder will be equal. That is important. That is applicable. So volume of the cone only we need now. So volume of cone, let's keep it here, don't do anything. Volume of a cone, which is equal to, multiply 3, when you send opposite, divide. So 1 divided 3, here what I am getting, volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder we know very well, I gave that. What is the volume of cylinder you see here? Pi r square h. This I am going to use there. Pi r square h I am going to use. Okay, let's see now. Right. Pi r square h. That's it, Raja. This is the required formula for volume of cone. This will be cubic units. Okay. This will be cubic units. So generally volume na cubic units. Either CSA or total surface area, that is square units. Are you understand, children? That's it, Chalo. I hope you people understand this. Let's recall one thing again. So today we saw what actually? Today we saw cylinder. First what? CSA. Next TSA. Next volume. All these things I gave with the proper steps. This all the formula is very useful either in 9th standard as well as in 10th standard. Like that, we'll go to next one. Next I gave cone. Cone CSA. With what is that? When you equate length of arc equal to circumference, one formula I am getting, answer number 1. Next, when I equate sector, area of sector, when I equate, I am getting another thing, that is CSA of the cone, 1. Now, CSA plus base area, when you add, I am getting total surface area. I have given here, that is the total surface area of the cone, pi r into L plus r square units. Next volume, okay, next volume of the cone. Volume of the cone, how we are getting actually radius of the cone, radius of the cylinder should be equal, like that, height also same. When we have like this, 3 times of cone, 3 times of volume of cone equal to 1 time of volume of cylinder, that is I am giving. Now multiply 3, when you send opposite, divide. Volume of cylinder we know very well, now only we saw in the previous thing. So pi r square h, that's it. Volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. That's it. So today is over. Thank you, children. I hope you understand all this formula. Let's see in the next video with another shape. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye bye. See you. And kindly subscribe this channel also. Thank you, children. Take care.